Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable status persistence on Mega account. So first you're going to go to the Mega app, then click on the menu section on the lower right corner. Then once you're here, you're going to click on settings. Then again, you're going to click on chat. Then click on status. So as you can see, there's the status persistence option. You're going to click on it. So now you're always going to show selected status appearance, even when you disconnect. So that's how you basically do it. You guys can find this app on the App Store or Play Store, so make sure to check it out. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlists. I suggest you also check it out as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.